Question of the day. How do I quickly remove the background of an image? Let's head to photopea.com. Photopea you can think of as an online alternative to Adobe Photoshop. You're going to grab our image and drop it on the canvas, duplicate the image layer, hide the original layer, make sure that the layer we want to work with is selected. Then we'll go to Select, Magic Cut. Give it a second to do its thing. Sometimes we might need to touch up the image because, as you can see, the bottom isn't completely removed here. There's a bit of yellow. So this is where the tools on the top left come in. The red brush is to mark the background. The green brush marks the subject, and the gray brush to erase the automatic selection. So if you select our red brush and just pass it in the vicinity of that bit of markup, you see that now it's gone. If we want to see what our image looks like against a white background or a black background, we can quickly preview that, depending on if we want to add or remove parts of our subject. And then we make sure that new layer is selected from the drop-down menu. We click OK. We ensure that our layer is selected, our transparent layer that is, because now we need to export the image. And then we go to File, Export As, and then you select any of the transparent image formats. So PNG or WebP will do. In this case, I will use PNG. We will get our options box. So do we want to change the width and height? Do we want to keep original quality or reduce the quality to reduce the file size? And then we just click Save. Our dialog box is going to open up. We click Save. And then when we open our image, we can see fully transparent. And there you have it. See you on the next one.